Hazrat Huzaifa radiallahu anhu reports, we were sitting in the company of Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu. He said, who amongst you remembers the saying of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about affliction? I said, I remember it, same as the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said. Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu thereupon said, you are very bold in this matter. I said, prayer, fast, charity and bidding to do good and forbidding what is wrong, expiate the affliction, trials caused by the wife, property issues and neighbor of a man. He said, I did not mean these things, but I intended to ask about the affliction which would gush out like tides. I said, O chief of the believers, why are you afraid of it, whereas there is a closed door between you and it? He whereupon said, will it be broken or opened? I replied, it will be broken. Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu said, then it will never be closed. We said, did Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu know the door? He said, yes. As you know, the next day comes after the night. I narrated you a hadith which is free from mistakes. We feared to ask Huzaifa, so we asked Masruq to ask him. He said, the door was Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 525.